Today I'm going to do a demonstration on the best audio settings you can get for Zoom. I'm also going to briefly go over the best way you can get some good video and what kind of equipment you need to get there. So the first thing is I put together a video with the best audio settings you can put on Zoom. So currently I have those settings on. So my audio quality should be fairly good. But what I want you to do is to follow through with me. We're going to downgrade everything. We're going to go back to the very basics that you would get if you just use your computer and Zoom with the defaults. And then we're going to upgrade again. I want you to hear and see what the differences are. That won't lie. You will know exactly how every little thing affects the way you would look in your next absolute best quality Zoom meeting once you have this under your belt. So as you can see, my original sound is on and we are in a Zoom meeting. So I'm going to go to the Zoom preferences and we're going to downgrade. So I'm going to start by going into the audio and I'm going to remove all the settings that I have. And I'm also going to remove the microphone. I'm using a Samsung Q2U microphone. It's $69. It's pretty good quality audio. So now we're going to go to the MacBook Pro microphone. And that's really using the computer microphone. Now, since we're there, we're also going to go to the video. And as you can see, the video is fairly good. That's because I'm using a BRIO 4K webcam. So we're going to remove that and we are going to move it to the FaceTime HD camera built-in camera. And that's what comes with my MacBook Pro, which is not bad, but I mean, look at the difference. The background is grainy, the lighting is different. It's much closer to me. Look at my skin color, my lipstick is gone. The gray in my shirt is, I mean, it's really not the best quality. The lighting in the background is totally changed, as you can see. So I'm not happy with that. Look at just stepping it up with the webcam makes a huge difference. So if you just were to get that webcam already, like the quality of your meeting would be really substantially higher. Now we're going to go to the audio. And since you have that webcam now, we're going to see how the audio of the webcam is. So currently I'm using the webcam microphone and the webcam for the video. So already it's a little bit better, but I'm going to bring you back to the Samsung Q2U, which is right here. I lifted it up a little bit so it's close to my mouth. So when I speak, it picks up the sound. If I were to speak from here, even though you can't see me, if I'm further from the microphone, it's not going to pick it up as well. So you bring it close. You want it as close to your mouth as possible so it really picks up the sound of your voice. Now we're going to change the settings to the best audio settings for your next meeting. Everything is on. Original sound is on. And now I can move those preferences out of the way. I'm staying close to my microphone. You realize now that I have good audio, good video, and all I'm using is changing the preferences for Zoom to remove myself from the default, which is not that great. And then I have a microphone and a webcam, and look at the difference. This is fairly good. If you are a professional or a student, I think you would much prefer to show yourself in that light, and it doesn't take too much to get there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome back to Katia's Buzz. If you want to know the specifics about those settings, those preferences in Zoom for audio, I just put together a video a couple of weeks ago. So go through it. I explain in detail how it affects you. But now in this video, you can actually hear it. So it's really important to be aware, you know, of how the things affect your settings. I also would like to invite you to give me some information about your experience with those settings and what equipment you have, and if you see any difference, and if you have any recommendations for me. Please take a second, subscribe to my channel, and press like if you enjoyed this video, and come back to Katia's Buzz. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Ciao.